If you need me, let me know.
In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be doing a bit of a lighting upgrade on the Z28. Stock halogen lights are a little bit weak at night and at dusk, so I ordered a custom-built HID retrofit kit from Blackbird Lighting Solutions, which is good for the 98 to 2002 Camaros. It comes with it's optional. It's a 35 watt ballast, full plug and play relay harness, and then 55K bulbs. As you can see here is our stock halogen housing with the black surround, and this is the new housing also with a black surround and the retrofitted projector for the HIDs. So we're also going to be replacing the fog light bulbs and the clear lenses with new LED corner marker bulb, switchback signal bulb, and LED reverse lights. And then we're also going to be replacing the rear markers. These are going to be a clear housing, clear lens with a black housing, and a red LED marker bulb. So we will get started on the process to install the headlights in a minute. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to unplug your high beam and your low beam connectors. There is one 10mm bolt here that holds the housing, and what you're going to do is there are two tabs there that you can see. So for the driver's side, you're going to slide the headlight left the way that you're looking at it. So you're actually going to slide it to the passenger side so that you can undo these hooks right here, and then you're going to pull the light to the left and release the hooks, and then you're going to pull it out, pull the right side up first. So that's actually Tim texting me now, who's going to be helping with the install. Okay, so we have the new lenses in here with the LED bulbs. That is a switchback bulb in there, so I do have to change the flashers. I'm not doing inline resistors because those kind of create some heat. And then there is a new LED bulb for the fog light. Now the fog light does not provide any more lumens, it just is going to provide the color that we're looking for. So since the headlight is out on the driver's side, just put the light down here. On the inside of there you can see, so this here where my finger is pointing and blocking the light, that is the ballast for the driver's side. That will be mounted on this side as well, the same on the inside of the support. And there you have the relays. I'm going to position the light here, move the camera. So there you can see the relays here. We used an existing screw hole right here where my finger is moving. That has power and ground wires that we're going to have run up here. There is a ground here and a ground here, and then the power gets routed directly to the battery. And then it does have a wire that we have loose here that's going to run to the driver's side. We're going to try and route it along this existing wire loom here. Okay, so I changed the field of view on the GoPro, and you can see the ballast here just a little bit better right here. So that is where we're going to mount. Same position for the passenger side. And perhaps a little bit better view of where the relays are. Here you can see the relays are here. And the existing bolt on top, which is a 10 millimeter. Okay, so we left off with showing you where the relay was, and the wire comes here. You can see the braided wire here. It goes along the existing loom. That's the intake, and it comes to this side, and it exits right here, and then that goes down and connects to the driver's side ballast. Because we only need one low beam connector, because that acts as the switch that turns on the relays. We have, if you see in there, right here where I'm going to shine the light, that is the driver's side low beam connector, which is taped off with electrical tape and zip tied to an existing loom there that is out of the way because it will not be used. The next part of the install is going to be to install the driver assembly. Retrofitted HID headlights are installed. All of the connections are done. As you can see there, we have a connector there and connectors there, and ballast is underneath as shown before. The wire is run nice and neat. We have the ground wire here and the power wire there, zip tied and tucked away so that you don't see it. So I mean, if anybody looks at it, and unless they see these extra plugs here, pretty much looks like a factory install. So you can see the black housings and the retrofitted projector. So we'll go ahead and turn the lights off. That would be parking lights only, and that would be the HIDs. They still need to be adjusted, but since it's raining out, we won't be doing that today. But as you can see here, plenty of light. And we do have the switchback bulbs in for the parking lights. So I'll be posting some pictures to Instagram of some of the lighting upgrades that I did everywhere else on the car, and the regular halogen high beams are separate. So there you go. And there are the HIDs. So if you are a 98 to 2002 Camaro owner and you're looking to upgrade your headlights, feel free to check out Blackbird Lighting Solutions. I'll put a link to their website below. Very happy with the fit and finish of the lights, and the instructions for both the Morimoto HID kit and their installation kit were spot on, very easy to follow, and yeah, everything was pretty much plug and play. So for a different type of episode on GAV details, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and for some upcoming product review and comparison videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.